Have you ever seen a cookie run? Well, Princess Mia and her puppy Udon are about to go on the wildest chase of the winter. Are you ready to catch him? Let's go to the kitchen. It was a cold, snowy day, perfect for baking. First, Mia poured the soft white flour into the big bowl. Poof! Next, a splash of water. Splash! Mix it up, Mia. Round and round went the wooden spoon. Stir, stir, stir. Now for the yummy part. Sweet sugar and spicy ginger. Udon leaned in for a smell. Sniff, sniff. Achoo! Now the dough was ready. Mia grabbed the rolling pin. Roll and pat. Roll and pat. She made it nice and flat. Then she added 3 gumdrop buttons. 1, 2, 3. Into the oven he goes. Ding! The timer went off. But when Mia opened the door, zoom! The gingerbread man jumped right over Udon's nose.
Catch me if you can.
He's loose! Quick, Udon, after that cookie! He is fast. Look at him go!
Run, run fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Oh no! A giant log! Mia jumped up. Udon jumped boing. But look out for the ice. Slide with me. Whoa! Udon is sliding like a penguin. Silly puppy. Get up, Udon. He's getting away. Shh. Where did he go? He ran into the candy cane forest. We have to be very quiet. Is he behind that tree? No. Is he under that bush? No. Wait, do you smell something? It smells like frosting. Look, it wasn't just a cookie. It was a whole gingerbread castle. White frosting on the roof, chocolate on the door. He wasn't running away. He was running home. Welcome home, little cookie, said Mia. We promise not to eat him as long as we can visit. Goodbye, Gingerbread Man. Stay warm.